lasers that vaporize rust, tablets that unlock hidden horsepower. Here are 12 insane garage gadgets every car guy needs right now. Let's go!
This is the tool that stops people mid-sentence. Handheld fiber laser cleaners have finally become commercially accessible, and they are the ultimate garage flex. Instead of spending days choking on dust from a wire wheel, you simply point this laser gun at a rusted control arm and pull the trigger. It fires highly focused light pulses that instantly vaporize rust, paint, and grease down to bare metal. The craziest part? It doesn't damage the healthy steel underneath. It's completely dry, requires no chemicals, leaves zero mess, and perfectly preps the surface for welding. It turns the most miserable restoration job into something you actually look forward to. And speaking of turning miserable jobs into easy ones, let's talk about the brain of your car. The Phoenix Elite is a professional-grade diagnostic tablet that gives you dealership power in your own hands. You plug it into the OBD2 port, and it automatically maps every electronic module in the vehicle. Reading fault codes is just the beginning. The real magic is ECU coding and active testing. This tool lets you unlock hidden features the manufacturer disabled, tweak suspension settings, or dive deep into the software. If you are tuning a heavy-duty 3.0D engine or getting ready to flash a transmission with something like an XHP Stage 3 setup, this provides the advanced access you need. One tool, 0 trips to the dealer. Now that the software is sorted, let's get the car off the ground. Wrestling with floor jacks and terrifying jack stands gets old fast. The QuickJack 7000 TL completely changes your garage geometry. It's a portable, motorized lift system that slides under your vehicle and raises it over 2 feet in under 30 seconds. The 7000 TL is their newest heavy-duty model, giving you an extra 3 inches of height. It easily handles everything from slammed sports cars to heavy AWD SUVs. It features automatic mechanical safety locks that engage as it rises, giving you rock-solid stability. When finished, the frames collapse perfectly flat to just 3 inches tall, so you park right over them. Dropping a transmission just became incredibly easy. Every mechanic knows the nightmare of a seized, rusted suspension bolt. The old-school method involves bringing a highly dangerous acetylene torch right next to rubber bushings and fuel lines. The Mini-Ductor Venom fixes this problem using pure physics. It uses high-frequency magnetic fields to heat metal without any flame whatsoever. You just wrap the flexible coil around the seized nut, pull the trigger, and invisible magnetic waves turn the metal cherry red hot in seconds. Because it relies on magnetic induction, it only heats the metal, leaving surrounding plastics untouched. Once it's glowing, the rust bond breaks instantly, and the bolt spins off. No open flames, no broken studs. But what happens when you can't even reach the bolt? That brings us to number 5. Automakers love packing massive 3.7 V6 engines into tight spaces, leaving zero room to swing a traditional wrench. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel Right Angle Impact Wrench is a mechanical cheat code. It takes the brutal hammering torque of a traditional impact gun and shrinks it into a tiny 2.8-inch profile. Delivering up to 220 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, it easily breaks loose impossible-to-reach downpipe nuts or tight suspension hardware. Because the internal mechanism absorbs the rotational force, it won't violently jerk your wrist. It fits absolutely anywhere your hand fits, completely eliminating bloody knuckles and saving hours of teardown time just to reach one fastener. Diagnosing invisible car problems used to involve guessing or randomly swapping expensive parts. The FLIR One Edge Pro takes military-grade thermal imaging and links it wirelessly to your smartphone. Why do you need this? Because heat tells a story. Point it at an exhaust manifold. The one cold pipe instantly identifies your misfiring cylinder. Hunting down a battery-draining electrical draw? Just look for the fuse glowing warm when the car is off. You can instantly check for clogged radiators or binding brakes. Because it connects via Wi-Fi, you can clip it inside the engine bay and monitor the live thermal readout from the driver's seat. Okay, let's take a quick breather. We've covered lifting, scanning, and heating. Now let's talk about the ultimate deep clean. Restoring dirty engine components usually means spending hours scrubbing with wire brushes and toxic solvents. The Viver 30-liter ultrasonic cleaner automates that dirty work using sound waves. Fill the heated tank with degreaser, drop in your grimy pistons or fuel injectors, and turn the dial. High-frequency transducers create millions of microscopic bubbles. When these bubbles collapse against the metal, they release massive energy, blasting away baked-on carbon from the inside out. It cleans deep inside tiny oil galleries where a physical brush could never reach. After 30 minutes, decades-old parts look factory new. It's the ultimate hands-free engine building solution. If you are building an engine, tight enough is a recipe for disaster. Modern engine blocks use fasteners that require a specific torque spec, followed by an exact degree of rotation. Doing this with mechanical clickers is frustrating. The Gear Wrench 120XP is a digital marvel. You program your target torque and angle into the LCD screen. As you pull, it tracks your progress, giving you a progressive LED light warning, a beep, and a vibrating handle to signal exactly when you hit the target. It automatically switches from measuring torque to angle without stopping, ensuring bolts stretch to exact factory specifications every single time. This next one might just save you from being stranded in the middle of nowhere. Dragging around a massive heavy lead-acid jump box is history. The Noco Boost X GBX 155 is a next-generation lithium jump starter built for extreme power delivery. It fits easily in your glove box, but delivers an absolutely massive 4,250 peak amps. That is enough sheer voltage to instantly crank over highly compressed diesel blocks or massive V8s, even in freezing winter conditions. Featuring USB-C fast charging, it recharges quickly and acts as a high-output power bank for your devices. It is fully spark-proof with reverse polarity protection, ensuring you won't fry highly sensitive modern computers if you connect it backwards. Absolute peace of mind in a rugged package. A true enthusiast cares about paint correction just as much as horsepower. Washing your car with a traditional bucket drags microscopic dirt across the clear coat, creating terrible swirl marks. The MJJC Snowfoam Lance V3 attaches to your pressure washer and changes the game entirely. Engineered with advanced fluid dynamics, it generates shaving cream-thick foam that completely coats your vehicle's vertical panels. This ultra-thick foam chemically encapsulates dirt and brake dust, safely lifting it away from the surface so you can rinse it off before a mitt ever touches the paint. It transforms tedious washing into a satisfying, touchless experience that aggressively protects your finish. And as we near the end of the list, we have to address the biggest garage problem of all, the missing 10mm socket. Having thousands of dollars in great tools means nothing if you can't find them. The Sonic Tools modular storage system is the ultimate organizational flex. The heavy-gauge steel cabinets are stunning, but the real magic is inside. Sonic utilizes a custom, laser-cut, dual-color foam inlay system. Every single wrench and socket has a specific precision-cut slot. This protects your expensive tools from scratching and provides instant visual inventory control. If you finish a job and see an empty red slot in the drawer, you know exactly which tool is missing before you close the hood. It turns chaotic spaces into surgical workspaces. Forget about firing up a deafeningly loud air compressor and untangling 50 feet of rubber hose just to check your tire pressure before a drive. The Fantic X8 Apex is a sleek, battery-powered inflator that performs like a heavy-duty shop compressor. It features a built-in smart chip that inflates tires twice as fast as standard portable pumps. You simply plug it into your valve stem, dial in your desired pressure on the digital screen, and hit start. It automatically pumps to the exact PSI and shuts off perfectly. The massive internal battery easily inflates large off-road tires or track day slicks on a single charge. Which of these tools is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.